Pa-jumble na nga lang, pa-jumble. Boss, pwesto na. Pa-jumble na lang. Paalala ko lang sa mga bago, wala tayong first ball. May foul counted, wala tayong late ball.
Ito kay Mebs.
Punasan po yung rebounder. Three points! Score 3-0. Parang labanan yata ng 3-2 ah. Mon to GK. Hardy 3! Sabi nga ba eh. Sino unang titiklo? To Gomez. Yun lang. To GK. GK 3 points. 3-6.
Sabihan mo yung mga bago, labas-labas. Di pa.
Paalala ko lang ha, kailangan ini-inbound ang bola pag nakashoot. At pag nilabas na ang bola, automatic. Okay. Kala ko nakagulang na. Wala. Gomez. Steal by Hardy. Hardy, stop. Naku po, diretso. Rebound by Chu. Chu, 2 points. 3-8. Number 3. Oh! Grabe pagkakalinis. 5-8. Paalala ko ha, may backcourt violation tayo ha. GK, no good. Rebound by number 3. Yan, ako na lang yan pagkas mamaya. 2 points. 7-8. Number 14. Time remaining 4 minutes 30 seconds. GK, no good. Rebound by Mon. 10 seconds. Hardy, 3 points. 7-11. Nice, ang ganda ng pasa noon. Mon. Three points. 7-14. Okay, same ball. 3 minutes 30 seconds, palabas po ng bola ha. Wala po tayong first ball, lalabas po kayo. Okay to Gomez. Rebound by GK. No good. Okay, 2 points, 7-16. Tawag po agad pag may foul ha. Wala po tayong first ball, last na yan. Harley, 2 points. 7-18. Two points, 7-20. Shoot, no good. No good. Time remaining 1 minute 25 seconds. Okay, 2 points. 9-20. Last 55 seconds. Okay, 2 points. 11-20. Last 40 seconds. Shoot. No good. Last 34 seconds. Merson, no good. Kala ko, shoot na, nakakuha ni number 3. Number 3, pumersa. Nice hit ni JC. Last 18 seconds. Long pula ka nakakapak. 11-22. Three points. 14-22. 6 seconds. 4 seconds. And change court. Dito bola. Lamang na 8 ang team undrafted. Yung iinom po, pwede po muna uminom. Lamang kayo ng 8 ha. Hindi, kayo nakakuha.
Hindi, sila. Kuya, ito nakakuha. Wala na rin.
Ha?
Siya nakakuha siya.
Sino ang una nakakuha ng possession?
Naka-3, naka-3.
Naka-green, okay, di pa bola po. 22-14. Depensa po yung solo joiners. Depensa Gomez. Wait lang. Game. Three points. 25-14. Three points. 28-14. Good daw, good, good. 2 points. 28-16. GK, no good. Rebound by Mon. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. Nice, sayang. 2 points, Bernardo. Score 30-16. To Mercer. Wow! Grabe naman yun, sumayaw. 18-30. Three points, Harley. Madaming bawat si Harley. 15 ang kalamangan ng team undrafted. Mercer, no good. Four minutes, 55 seconds. No good by Chu. Rebound by Mon. Wala pa rin. Number 3. To number 14. Pinasa kay Kenneth. Kenneth, pasa pala yun. Hindi na-anticipate. Rebound by JC. To GK. Harley. No good. Rebound by Kenneth. Nice pass. Kenneth, no good. Last 4 minutes. Reyes. To Chu. Ang ganda ng pasa. Mon. 12 seconds. GK, wala. Maalat. Puro luwa. Rebound by Mercer. No good. Ken, no! Sayang. Rebound by number 3. Mercer, nice pace. Steal by Mon. Binalik pa? 2 points, Reyes. 35-18. Okay, steal by Chu. Nagmamadali. Chu, 2 points. Nagulangan. Gomez, no good. Nakuha ni JC. Reyes, no good. 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Steal by Chu. GK, no good. Rebound by Mercer. Lumakas ang bomba. One minute, 55 seconds. One minute, 45 seconds. 10 to shoot. 3 points. Reyes. 40-18. Three points. 43-18. One minute, 8 seconds. 3 points, number 14. 21:43. Last 58 seconds. Reyes, 2 points. 45-21, 40 seconds. Last 28 seconds. 23 seconds, 14 to shoot. 18 seconds, 10 to shoot. 48-21, 10 seconds. 8 seconds. .9 seconds. Okay.